Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your impossible dreams? Do you struggle to turn your aspirations into reality? In this video, we are delving into the powerful philosophy of Stoicism and offers invaluable insights on achieving your goals, no matter how ambitious they may seem. Step 1. Imagine being great. Thinking you are great is the first step to making your dreams come true. It means believing in a future where you are successful. It's not just daydreaming. It's a strong tool that can help you achieve things others think you can't. In Stoicism, focusing on your thoughts and controlling your mind are important. By imagining greatness, you are building a mindset that can help you overcome challenges, face tough times, and succeed. Visualization is a technique that has been used by some of the most successful people in the world, from athletes to business leaders. By visualizing your success, you are training your brain to recognize the opportunities and take the actions that will lead you to that success. Imagine greatness not just as a vague idea, but in vivid detail. Picture the specific achievements you want to accomplish. See yourself standing on the stage receiving an award, or imagine the satisfaction of completing a challenging project. Feel the emotions that come with these successes: pride, joy, fulfillment. The more detailed your visualization, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. This practice helps you to internalize the idea that greatness is within your reach, making it easier to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Imagining yourself as great is also about believing in your potential. Many people limit themselves because they don't believe they are capable of achieving great things. This self-doubt can be a significant barrier to success. The Stoics understood the importance of belief in oneself. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoic philosophers, often wrote about the importance of understanding your own power and potential. He emphasized that each individual has within them the ability to achieve greatness, but it requires recognizing and believing in that potential. To imagine yourself as great, you must first confront and overcome any limiting beliefs you have about yourself. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal expectations, or negative self-talk. The Stoics advocated for examining your thoughts and beliefs critically, discarding those that do not serve you. By doing so, you can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Start by affirming your strengths, talents, and abilities. Remind yourself of past successes, no matter how small, and use them as evidence that you are capable of achieving more. Believing in yourself means knowing that your past and what others think of you don't define you. The Stoics believe that what happens around you doesn't decide how valuable or capable you are. What's important is how you react to these situations. By focusing on your inner strengths like your personality, your smarts, and your ability to bounce back from tough times, you can have strong faith in your ability to do amazing things. One important part of thinking of yourself as good is aiming for excellence. The Stoics thought it was important to live a good life and do your best. They wanted people to aim for the best in what they do, how they decide, and who they are. When you set high goals, you are picturing yourself as great and working towards it. Setting high standards means trying to be the best you can be, not being perfect. It's about asking for more from yourself because you know you can do better. This way of thinking helps you step out of your comfort zone and push yourself to grow and get better. When you think about being great, you're not just setting a goal, you're setting a way to live your life. Thinking about being great also means accepting the journey that comes with it. The Stoics knew that the road to success is usually not simple. It can have many difficulties, problems, and hurdles. But they thought that these tough times should not scare us. Instead, they should be seen as chances to become better. If you picture yourself as a great person, you are also getting ready to deal with and conquer these challenges. Embracing the journey means understanding that becoming great is not something that finishes but keeps going to get better. It is about seeing that every problem you meet is a chance to make your personality, abilities, and strength better. The Stoics believe that facing hard times is just a normal part of life, and it is by overcoming them that we reach our full potential. Seneca, a well-known Stoic thinker, talked a lot about how important it is to face challenges directly and use them to become stronger. When you imagine greatness, you are not just focusing on the end goal, but on the entire process of becoming great. This mindset helps you to stay motivated and committed, even when the journey is difficult. It also helps you to find meaning and purpose in the challenges you face, knowing that each one is bringing you closer to your vision of greatness. To truly imagine yourself as great, you must also align your actions with your vision. The Stoics believe that actions speak louder than words. It's not enough to simply imagine greatness. You must take concrete steps toward making that vision a reality. This involves setting goals, creating plans, and taking consistent action toward achieving those goals. Start by identifying the actions that will move you closer to your vision of greatness. These could be daily habits, new skills to learn, or specific projects to complete. The Stoics emphasize the importance of discipline and consistency in pursuing goals. By taking consistent action, you are reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve greatness. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your vision. It's also important to regularly review and adjust your actions to ensure they are aligned with your vision. The Stoics practiced self-reflection and regularly examined their thoughts, actions, and progress. By doing the same, you can stay on track and make necessary adjustments to keep moving toward your goals. This process of continuous improvement is key to achieving greatness. Imagining yourself as great also involves overcoming fear and doubt. These are natural emotions that everyone experiences, but they can be particularly paralyzing when pursuing big dreams. The Stoics believe that fear and doubt are the result of irrational thoughts, and that by addressing these thoughts, you can overcome these emotions. It's also important to replace fear and doubt with positive, empowering thoughts. The Stoics taught that we have control over our thoughts, and that by choosing to focus on positive, rational thoughts, we can influence our emotions. Whenever you feel fear or doubt creeping in, remind yourself of your strengths, your past successes, and your vision of greatness. This shift in focus can help you to regain confidence and continue moving forward. Imagining yourself as great is the first and perhaps most important step in achieving your dreams. It's about visualizing success, believing in your potential, setting high standards, embracing the journey, aligning your actions with your vision, and overcoming fear and doubt. By adopting this mindset, you are laying the foundation for a life of purpose, fulfillment, and greatness.